Good afternoon, everyone. Today I'll be presenting on the recent exciting development on 3D printing and medicine that will revolutionize the way osteoporosis is treated. On the 26th of May 2017, the BIOPEN was reported to have undergone successful animal clinical trials, and what that means is that a more effective and advanced method is to fix weakened and broken bones will soon be available to society. The benefits of the BIOPEN will primarily be observed by people who are affected by osteoporosis, which predominantly implicates people in the over 50 demographic. So for some of you, this impact might be a bit underwhelming, as many of us are still young and hopefully still very active, but to give you an idea of how important healthy bones are, please a show of hands of how many people have had broken bones or fractured wrists after playing sport. Yes, so quite a few of you. So I want you to imagine that having that forever is not very fun and is definitely not convenient. So our bones are very important to us, and it not only is for protection for our vital organs like our lungs and heart, but as demonstrated just now, are essential for our daily activities like running, dancing, jumping, walking around. We can do this because bones are strong and light, but yet flexible, and be flexible enough to absorb the impact and not break. And how they stay in this condition is due to this remodeling cycle, where is the coordinated actions of osteoblasts and osteoclasts. In osteoblasts, they promote bone formation, where they will deposit calcium and protein collagen onto the bone in response to growth factors and mechanical stress. And for osteoclasts, is the opposite, where it promotes breaking down of bone and dissolving of bone, and the body will reabsorb calcium and amino acids. Yeah, so how does osteoporosis come about? It is the excessive stimulation of osteoclasts, which then there will be an excessive reabsorption rate as compared to the bone formation rate. And this will cause bone mass to decline rapidly and cause thin and porous bones, like as you can see over here, and fractures and broken bones can occur very easily. How osteoporosis come about can be due to environmental factors like the lack of calcium in your diet or the lack of exercise, and it also can be due to chemical factors like a decrease in progesterone and testosterone. The osteoporosis is a leading underlying fracture disease, wherein 1 in 3 women and 1 in 5 men will suffer from osteoporosis. So that means in about each table, one of you will suffer from constant pain, physical disability, and potential death. The current treatment for osteoporosis can be the consumption of calcium and vitamin D tablets, but in most cases, bone replacement is required, and the common practice is to use a bioprinter. A bioprinter will create a substitute bone that fabricates a living human construct with biological and mechanical properties. The artificial bone has to be biocompatible to the body to prevent risk of rejection, and it also has to promote cell adhesion and proliferation, which is growth and development of the cell. But the bioprinter is not perfect. It has only a 40 to 86% statistic on cell viability, which is a relatively low statistic, and that means that cell development does not thrive a lot in the patient's body. It is also to have to prefabricate each cell before the operation. It is very time consuming, and ultimately the process is inefficient. And for some wounds, like chondral wound sites, it is hard to predict the size and shape of the wound, and so accuracy to target the position cells will not be very good. With all this taken into account, scientists have created the BIOPEN. The BIOPEN, how the BIOPEN works is that in that chamber, it contains bio ink, which is basically the patient's stem cells combined with hydrogel, and it is drawn directly onto the patient's bone during surgery, and that will be solidified by a UV light over here in pink, and the cells will grow and develop and form a healthy bone structure for the patients. And what makes the BIOPEN special is that it is very accurate due to its it can draw it has the surgeon has manual control on the BIOPEN, hence it will be more accurate and they will be able to personalize an artificial cartilage to aid for quicker recovery. It is also small and light, which contributes to its accuracy and easy functioning. And last but not least, it has a new hydrogel formula comprising of seaweed extract alginate, which provides structural support for the stem cells to grow and flourish in the patient. This will bring the cell viability to 97%. The impacts of the BIOPEN is that after the BIOPEN undergoes human clinical trials, the implementation of the BIOPEN to osteoporosis treatment will lead to a significant decrease in 3D cartilage rejection and as well as repeated weakness in previous osteoarthritis patients. But it does not stop there. It does not stop at osteoporosis. It will set out to repair all damage to bones, muscles, tendons, and even to tissues like in the heart, lungs, and liver. And it will make a significant impact on how to prevent and cure diseases. Thank you.